All right, we're just gonna garnish it with some parsley, which I love, and we're gonna taste. All right, do you see what I made? Do you see the delicioso of that? It's so wonderful. So we're gonna try it now. Welcome, and we're making chicken marsala tonight. So let's get started. All right, first of all, I've got one chicken breast here. Is a nice sized chicken breast. So I'm gonna cut it into lengthwise 3 pieces because I'm not gonna be pounding it. I know a lot of people like to pound it, but I'm not pounding it. I'm just gonna cut it in lengthwise slices. So it's just gonna be great. It's the way I like to do it. All right. So I've got 3 pieces here. Okay, we're going to season our chicken with salt and pepper. Here we go. I'm going to do this. I'm going to give it some salt and pepper. Turn it over. Make sure it gets it all over. Some more salt and pepper. All right. Now, I'm gonna dredge it in flour. It's gonna be yummy. This is my chicken marsala. Delish. One more. This is 1 chicken breast, and it's gonna make, it makes a big meal. This is just me here, so I'm just making it for me, and so it'll be like my dinner tonight, plus tomorrow for lunch if I'd like. All right, so there we go. So I already have my oil heating on the stove. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna fry up our pieces of chicken. We're gonna fry this up for like 5 minutes. We don't want it to be cooked thoroughly because it's going to go back into the pan and fry up a little more in our sauce. All right, so we're still cooking our chicken. Okay. Been about 5 minutes on there. So I'm going to take the chicken off. So nice to be deep brown, that is. And put it in the pan. Take it off the heat. And then put it aside. And then I'm going to put in about 2.5 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. Let that melt pretty much. Okay. And then I'm going to put in what I've already chopped up, like 3 shallots and only about 2 cloves of garlic. We don't want this dish to be too garlicky. It's not going to be good. All right, here we go. All righty, we got that. Let that simmer for, just for a little bit, just to, so you smell that garlic becoming fragrant. And then we're going to add about 8 ounces of mushrooms. Well, maybe a little more, because I love mushrooms with this. This is oh shit. This is chicken marsala. Delish. Oh goodness. Oh. I'm not perfect. All right. Let me put a little bit more in here now. That'll be good. All right. Okay. Gonna let that simmer. Maybe like, maybe 5 minutes. We'll see. Oh my Lord, this smells so good. Oh, with the garlic, the shallots, and the mushrooms. It's almost ready for the marsala. Delicioso. Okay, I'm going to add a little salt and pepper. I'm just about ready to add my marsala, or flour in that one. Maybe. Let's just get this going. Alright. Okay, now we're going to add a tablespoon of flour to this concoction. Alright, we're going to cook it for like another minute before we add the marsala. So wonderful. Oh, God. Alrighty, time to add the marsala wine. I am using this. I don't know if you can see it. Alright, half a cup. Okay. Oh my God. Woohoo! That smells so good. Woo! Wow. Alright. We're gonna let that, gonna do that for about a minute. Alright, now we're gonna add the chicken stock. 1 cup of chicken stock. Alright. Turn the heat up a little so it gets going faster. Alright. Gonna let that go. Woohoo! Gonna let it go. Okay, so we let that come back to a boil, and now we're going to lower the heat and return the chicken into the pan so it can finish cooking. Get in there. All right, so we're letting the chicken heat up as the sauce thickens, and we're just about ready. Just gonna let that go, let it thicken, let it heat up. All right, let's go. All right, so I think we're ready. It is, I believe it's all heated up, and it's time to plate it up, baby. Okay, I chose not to have a side dish tonight. I am just not in the mood. It's me just by myself, and I just want some chicken marsala by itself because I love it so much. So we're going to go with this guy. All right. And then we are going to smother it in mushrooms, which I love mushrooms. Mushrooms are so freaking good. Okay? So, all right, we're just gonna garnish it with some parsley, which I love, and we're gonna taste. All right, do you see what I made? Do you see the delicioso of that? It's so wonderful. So we're gonna try it now. Okay, so we're gonna try it. is just wonderful. Oh, I can't wait to try. Mmm. Mm-hmm-hmm-hmm. Mm-hmm-hmm-hmm. You can make this, and it's so easy. It's really not difficult. I love it. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed it, and I'm enjoying this right now. So, I hope you make this for yourself. You'll be doing yourself a favor. And I hope to see you in the next video.